Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Welcome back to another video. Here you can see that the C drive has turned red, meaning that there is no space. There is three reasons the C drive turned red. First one is virus hidden file. Second is full the C drive as well as desktop document, download picture and videos. These have enough data. The C drive will be full. Final one is Windows update. When Windows is updated and a new Windows is created, space on the C drive is hosted like this. Now I will delete the folder. We will go to C drive and properties, disk cleanup. After coming this, we will go system file and scroll down. Previous Windows installation. Here you see 25.8 GB already conserved. So we will select it and OK. Apply and OK. It will delete. It will take some time to delete. So we will wait. Job is done. So we will cross and refresh. Here you see the space come to the C drive back. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.